Hey, Tim. Hello. What'd you do here?
A lot of learning,
Okay.
a lot of help from Ed. So I wanted the customer, granddaughter, wanted a baseball bat from Grandpa. So I had to learn some way to turn it. So I picked CNC and got a lot of help from Ed. And unfortunately, you'll find out that the machine does exactly what you tell it to do, not what you want it to do. So that should be the knob that you see on the others, but somehow it interpreted my directions to make an innie instead of an outie. So that's solvable.
I bet you that flat part can really, I bet you can hit the ball a long way with that flat part. You're not going to get any pop-ups.
Well,
So this was
this was a test
piece. Okay.
a test piece, and I used a construction tool before, and so this one, I don't know if you can see a groove running through here, running through the knob too, and that's what happens when the tool doesn't pick up far enough between making the tenon at one end and the tenon at the other end, and so it goes through your work. And I know Calvin probably knows how to put the mistakes back in, but I haven't been able to figure out how to put the wood back when I screwed up and taken off too much. So that leads to, I want to call it success. That's right off the machine. So that's why the tenons are still attached, so give you a little idea what that's all about. And I turned that this morning.
Is this ash?
Ash.
Okay.
Had trouble finding ash big enough locally, so I brought it from Florida.
Oh, okay.
So I was down in Florida and I found there's a wholesale mill that I've bought from before, and they said they didn't have any, so I went in the warehouse and found it. So, yes, it's simple with the help you can get here in the guild.
You going to put a finish on this?
Yes, probably shellac. That's my normal go-to. I don't know. I don't have any better ideas, but
Odie's oil.
Odie's oil. Okay, that would look good.
Yeah, pine tar.
Well, I don't know if George is around to teach me how to do that anymore.
So she's actually going to use this, or is this
Yes.
a momentum?
No, this is
Okay.
9-year-old.
That's a pretty heavy bat for a 9-year-old. That's,
Well, it gets a little lighter. Now, so what happened was, this is actually the second finished product, and my son said, can you make this straight part a little bit longer? I know it'll make it heavier, and it's one of the things, if you make them yourself, yes, you can decide what the tapers are and what the...
oh, okay, so this part up here,
I lengthened.
okay. You're not going to do another one.
I probably will.
Okay. When she breaks this one, you don't have a logo
medallion
on here to tell which way to put on.
Orient.
Yeah,
Well,
orientate.
it helps that it's a 9-year-old, not a
Okay.
teenager.
And it's for softball.
Yes.
Okay.
But, and I don't know how to engrave letters on our CNC yet. I know that it's possible, or I could take it and do some laser etching at the library.
Curtis, can you do this? Can you laser this on a round surface? Okay.
Maybe I just need to talk to Curtis a little more.
There he is. Okay.
Any questions?
Questions? That's pretty unique. That's a unique idea. I don't think we've had a guy here a few years ago who he made baseball bats for
professionals?
For professional. Yeah, but I've never seen anybody that's actually made a bat to use for themselves. So awesome.
Over 4th of July, she could hit the softball pretty well with it.
Okay. Awesome.
A question.
Question?
So
Yeah.
once you got it figured out, how long does it take it to cut that?
About an hour and a half. And I did some things that made it take longer to avoid this groove. So bigger jumps. And probably was conservative with that, so it took longer.
Good.
I'll have to ask him.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know if my microphone's still on.
Yep, you're good.
Did you consider turning it on a lathe?
Yes.
And?
My skill level's a little lacking in that area.
Okay. I used and broke a bunch that my dad made when I was growing up. Tons, yeah. So, but they were turned on lathe. They're all different species too.
Well, there's several species that are good. I know ash and maple and sometimes birch are used. So I found ash.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.